simplest thing that you can do, and it is to replace the cabin air filter. So let's start by opening and removing all the stuff that is in here. This. Okay, and then there are a couple clips at the top, like this, and then there are clips on each side, like this, and then just remember the airflow arrows up, showing up, and then I take care of this and pull it out. Okay, it's the old one. Let's unpack the new one. Okay, the arrows showing up, and I just slide it in like that. Put the white plastic in like that, make sure it clicks, and put this part in, and then put all the junk in like as before, and yes, this goes garbage. It's dusty, and that's it. Okay, good.